This video will present an introduction to the USR Universe provisioning server and will highlight the benefits of using it and some benefits of not using it. The topics that this video will cover are: what is the USR Universe? Why use the USR Universe for some circumstances? And why not use the USR Universe in some other circumstances? Then some tips for registering with the USR Universe and when not using the USR Universe. Finally, I'll direct you to some online documentation to gain further understanding of these topics. So what is the USR Universe? The USR Universe provisioning server is a free online platform for delivering over-the-air updates to one or more US Robotics cellular gateways. A US Robotics cellular gateway that has automatic provisioning enabled and also has cellular connectivity to the Internet will contact the USR Universe at power-up or after a reboot, and then periodically, to check if it's been registered with the USR Universe. Finding itself registered, the gateway will then check if updates are available for any of its 4 image types. For each update it finds, the gateway will then check if the updates are allowed or should be ignored. Finally, the gateway will download each allowed update over the cellular connection and install it into the proper memory slot. Note that the check-in and the downloads are billable data transfers on your gateway's cellular data plan. The files are housed in a library within the USR Universe. US Robotics manages the files in the application library, and in the firmware library, and in the radio firmware library. The user manages the configuration library, which is initially empty. As the user registers each gateway with the USR Universe, a process the documentation refers to as activation, each gateway is assigned to a group. And each group is set up to use images from each of the libraries. That's how the user controls which images are deployed to each gateway, which is the essential purpose of the USR Universe. So, under what circumstances is using the USR Universe beneficial? The USR Universe is most beneficial when the designer of the M2M system anticipates the possible need for future enhancements to the system, which would require the reconfiguration of remote gateways or the delivery of new features or fixes to the remote gateways, without rolling a truck to each remote site. Under what circumstances is it beneficial to not use the USR Universe? The system designer should choose to not use the USR Universe when the current operation of the M2M system is satisfactory and future changes in operation are not expected. The benefits of not using the USR Universe in those circumstances are stability of system operation. Automatic updates to the gateway can have unintended consequences. And when not using the USR Universe, disable the gateway's automatic provisioning feature to prevent periodic check-in, which would otherwise consume data from the gateway's cellular data plan unnecessarily. Also, please do not register the gateway with the USR Universe when evaluating a demo unit provided to you by US Robotics. Ask your USR sales representative for assistance if you wish to evaluate the gateway's automatic provisioning feature. If you choose to use the USR Universe, it is first recommended to register the gateway with the USR Universe before establishing cellular connectivity, as instructed in Step 4 of the gateway's Quick Start Guide. Once the gateway is registered, set the USR Universe to ignore each available update for the gateway. This will prevent unplanned changes to any gateway image until you decide to allow it. Then it's safe to establish cellular connectivity to the gateway. The Gateway's automatic provisioning feature will contact the USR Universe twice a day until it finds that it's been registered. If you choose to not use the USR Universe, it is first recommended to disable the Gateway's automatic provisioning feature before establishing cellular connectivity to prevent it from consuming cellular data unnecessarily. Then, don't register the Gateway with the USR Universe by skipping Step 4 in the Gateway's Quick Start Guide. Then it's safe to establish cellular connectivity to the Gateway. A detailed guide for using the USR Universe and for configuring the US Robotics Cellular Gateway can be downloaded from the USR support website at www.usr.com/support/3510. To learn more about the Gateway's automatic provisioning feature, you can download the Understanding Cellular Gateway Automatic Provisioning white paper from www.usr.com/cellular/auto-provision. I hope you found this video useful for deciding if the USR Universe is right for you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing US Robotics.